Zoo. Do you love Cristiano Ronaldo? Is there any fan of Cristiano Ronaldo in this world? I know most of you love Cristiano Ronaldo because he's the best player in this world, and also he's an example of most player in this world, and he is truly a football player, and he is an amazing player. I love him. I love him. I love him from the bottom of my heart because he scored the goal. He played well. He formed a teammate correctly. He's an energetic. He is a hopeful. He is the best and the best attacker in this world. When he played for Man United, he played for Man United correctly as well, and also for Real Madrid, for Juventus, and also for Portugal for his team. So Ronaldo is amazing. He is an amazing in this world. Wow, I love him. Is there any fun? Let you say, I love you, Ronaldo. Let you say, I love you, Ronaldo. Let you write comment for him and let you show your love for him. Yeah.